In this video, we will discuss Mycobacterium avium intracellular complex, Mycobacterium scrofulaceum, Mycobacterium marinum, and we will complete our Mycobacteria family, section 1 bacteria. We will discuss Mycobacterium avium intracellular complex. This is consists of two bacteria, Mycobacterium avium and Mycobacterium intracellular. These both bacteria are acid-fast bacilli. Acid-fast bacteria are those bacteria which have mycolic acid in their cell wall, and these are rod-shaped. Both strands are pretty similar and difficult to recognize in laboratory. So it can cause pulmonary disease in AIDS patients, those patients which are already immunocompromised. This complex can cause disease like TB, which have similar symptoms to TB, like such as fever, night sweats, cough, and weight loss symptoms can be seen in the AIDS patients, which are affected by Mycobacterium avium intracellular complex. This complex is drug resistant to the antimycobacterial drugs, which are used to treat against mycobacteria, such as rifampicin, isoniazid, pyrazinamide, and ethambutol cannot be effective against this complex. So the drug of choice is azithromycin and clarithromycins, which are macrolides. Mycobacterium scrofulaceum. It's also acid-fast bacilli, rod-shaped. The source is fresh water. What does it cause? It can cause cervical adenitis in children's, known as cervical scrofula, inflammation of the cervical lymph nodes. Note that in Mycobacterium tuberculosis, we also find cervical scrofula as a clinical sign. And the root of bacteria is oropharynx, and scrofula can treat it with surgical excision of affected lymph node. And the drugs used against Mycobacterium scrofulaceum are antimycobacterial drugs, which includes rifampicin, isoniazid, pyrazinamide, and ethambutol, and macrolides like azithromycin. Mycobacterium marinum. It is also acid-fast bacilli. The source of this bacteria is fresh water and saline water, cause hand infections. Seeming pool granuloma, known as fish tank granuloma, can be caused by Mycobacterium marinum. Ulcerating lesions at the site of infection can be found on the granuloma. The treatment used against Mycobacterium marinum is tetracycline. Most commonly, minocycline is used to treat Mycobacterium marinum. It's effective.